Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll guide you on how to remove a collaborator from a reel you've created after publishing it on Instagram. Let's get started with these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Find the reel from which you want to remove a collaborator. Step 3. Tap the three dots icon at the bottom right corner of the reel. Step 4. Select Edit from the options that appear. Step 5. Tap on Tag People. Step 6. Locate the collaborator's account and tap the X icon on the right side to remove them. Step 7. Tap Done and follow any on-screen instructions, if any. Step 8. Finally, tap Done again to save the changes. That's it. You have successfully removed a collaborator from a reel you've created on Instagram, even after it has been published. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.